Here I have my nail drill. This is a 2-in-1 nail drill. This is really great because not only is it a nail drill, but it also has a lamp to cure your nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like. I got the pink one. This does have a 3-watt nail lamp. So take a look. This is what it looks like. First impression, very, very nice, very compact, and it's super lightweight. So let's go ahead and take it out. As you can see the front here, this is what's going to have the lamp. So this is going to help you cure your nails as you're using any gel polish, anything like that. So that's really, really awesome because that's a 2-in-1. Usually I had to use a nail drill and a nail lamp. So this is really convenient to have both of them built in one. Included in your box, you will get your charger, you'll get your nail drill, and then you will also get your drill bit. So we're gonna go ahead and add this to our nail drill. And it is so simple. Simply press the drill bit in here. So take a look, just like that, it is applied. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. The power is going to be right there. Go ahead and hold that down. As you can see, it is already starting. And then you could change the speeds right here with this middle one. That one's the slower one. And then it goes higher. Very, very nice. And then the top here, this is going to be your light. So take a look. And then this will help you. And the great thing also is that it does have a timer right here. So it is counting down. You can put it for 60, 20. Very, very nice. Overall, I definitely recommend if you're looking for something portable. And just to let you know, you do charge it right there on the front. But if you're looking for something portable to take on the go, to give you quick fixes, or just to simply have at your home for at-home manicures, I would definitely recommend.